Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change background color in Instagram story. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application first. Once you are there, I'm just heading over to my home page. So as you can see, I'm heading over to the story section. Now go to your camera. Suppose I'm clicking a picture. So it will be my background. So I want to change the color of my background. How I can do that is tap on the three dots on the top right. Now go to draw. Now here, just check mark on any color. Suppose I'm doing this one and keep tapped on the screen. As you can see, the screen has turned into the whole color of it. And then tap on the tick mark on the top right. Now select any photos from stickers and add your photo. So yeah, this is how you can just change background of your Instagram story. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.